Good morning, my name is Grabando Martinez. I am a student industrial engineering in the University National Open and Distance. Today I will let you know about organizational behavior, the Diamond Supermarket. Factor 1. Team building. Problems. There is no teamwork in El Diamant Supermarket since Mr. Joaquin Perez does not allow himself to be advised or hyping the opinion on his relatives since his children are professional. Proposal situation. To improve teamwork, we need good communication, defining objectives, recognizing and rewarding the achievements of each one of the workers, as well supporting the team and reviewing the work frequently. Take advantage of the strength of each member of your work team. Factor 2. Leadership. Problems. The leadership of the supermarket is very poor. Being a good leader means listening more and talking less. You must pay attention to the problem of the organization and the perspective of the other members of the team. Mr. Joaquin lacked being more visionary to see that every day the country is changing, it's updating itself, and the company must go. Proposal situation. High team members your full attention when they share ideas or comments. Study them together. Schedule recurring meetings to work with the team participants in meetings organized by the team. See what they can implement, what can improve as a company or team of the world. Factor 3. Chance management. Problems. Since Mr. Perez already laid in administrative change must be made that Mr. Joaquin is not in charge of everything. Proposal situation. The improvement proposal for the supermarket to hold a meeting leaving the daughter Anna is administrator with the company of each of the brothers. Factor 4. Conflict management. When the two new compensation arrived, Mr. Joaquin accelerated and carried on process in the nurse with no consulting its relatives. Proposal situation. They charge of the business again without worried updating marketing strategies. Factor 5. Human capital and innovation. Problems. One of the main mistakes that was made from the beginning is not paying Social Security its employees in the order protected. We must innovation. Set every day that space we are updating. Proposal situation. Temporarily include products not related to the usual assortment to generate attention and attract new audiences. Create make space. Thank you.